Hello, my name is Grace Ziegler.
And my name is Haley Hanneman.
We are members of the Aurora FCCLA chapter from Aurora, Nebraska.
In order to create our instructional video, we had to start by doing some research. We found a recipe for meatloaf cupcakes and discovered that meatloaf was popular in the 1950s. We decided to make a themed cooking show from that time. So we watched videos from that era, like The French Chef by Julia Child, to gain inspiration.
Haley and I found the meatloaf cupcake recipe on Pinterest, and we thought that it was absolutely adorable. We tried the recipe and found that it had too many seasonings, and the mixture just wasn't the right consistency.
So we decided to make our own recipe from scratch. We experimented with different seasonings, adding breadcrumbs and different amounts of ketchup until we finally got them to taste exactly how we wanted them. With a few alterations to the mashed potato frosting to make it a little stiffer, we had perfected our recipe.
After we had our recipe picked out, we started planning our video. We used the FCCLA planning process to help us. We first identified our concerns. One of our biggest concerns was trying to find the time required to record and edit our video. We are both very involved in school activities and don't have a lot of free time. We had to work together to fill out the appropriate paperwork and create our videos in the limited time we had together.
Next, we set our goal. Our goal is to teach our viewers how to make meatloaf cupcakes. We also aim to help them understand more about the food groups and table settings. We want to reach a large audience with this video with hopes to make an impact within our community.
We then formed our plan. We figured out who would be involved, what our video was going to teach, when and where we were going to record it, and why we chose the project we did. We also had to decide how we were going to see it through.
The next step was to act upon our plan. We got together multiple times over the course of the last few months, and the project started to come together. We wrote our script, figured out what costumes we wanted to wear, and made a list of the utensils and ingredients we needed. I made the edits in iMovie, and we posted it on YouTube. Our documents and video were also posted on our chapter's website.
Finally, we followed up on our project. After watching it through a few times, we decided to re-record certain parts of it, and we added some more information to the video. After we completed it, we watched our video one more time to make sure we had all of the required components, as well as our own touch of personality, and we sent it in.
Grace and I want to impact as many people as we can with our video. We plan to show it to our 4-H club, our chapter advisor's foods and nutrition class, and her creative foods class.
We want to educate our classmates on the proper way to set a table, the appropriate amount of each food group you need to eat during a meal, and we also want to teach them a quick and easy meal that will help them achieve their food goals for the day.
We have learned a lot in the creation of this project. I learned how to edit a video and make it look professional. I also learned about new special effects and transitions to give our project a little extra pizzazz. We also learned about the copyright system, how it works, and how to license our video.
We used our past knowledge of food groups and nutrients to help us create a presentation that would inform our peers. Making our own recipe was something new to us, too.
One skill that we improved upon during our project that we can definitely apply to our futures is teamwork. We've worked very closely with each other the past few months to produce the best video we possibly could. It took a lot of planning and communication to finish this project.
Communication was another skill that we've improved upon as well. Since our schedules were so busy, we had to plan what days would work best in advance. We also collaborated on writing the script and necessary papers that go along with our STAR event. Both of these abilities will be very beneficial in our futures.
Thank you, and we hope you enjoy watching our instructional video, Cooking Classics.